Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the lock and workspace. Unpack the components and place batteries into the pack, because a powered lock lets you enroll fingerprints immediately. Once done, test the LED and basic power-up sequence to confirm the unit boots. You measure and mark the door using the template. Make sure hinge orientation and backset match the lock specs so holes align. Finally, stage your tools within reach to keep the process continuous and avoid losing small screws. You mount the latch and strike plate first, drilling precisely where the template indicates so the latch slides cleanly. This prevents future binding. Once the hole pattern is verified, fasten the exterior assembly and feed the connector through. Attach the interior module and tighten screws evenly. Then power the lock, access the admin enrollment mode, and capture the primary fingerprint. Multiple swipes and angles help the sensor build a reliable template. Make sure firmware prompts finish before testing the lock motor. You complete the setup by testing every registered fingerprint and confirming the deadbolt retracts smoothly. Exercise the mechanical key too so backups work. Once satisfied, configure user codes, auto-lock delay, and any network integration following prompts. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Check battery voltage and receipt internal connectors, clean the sensor with a lint-free cloth, and re-enroll fingerprints at different angles. If failures persist, power cycle the unit and consult the error LED.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.